and black. You cut it with my knife. And it's been 4 months, maybe more, since I've seen my pretty wife. I pray I'm home before too long. It's probably just a dream to meet my newborn son, who's waiting there for me. Every day is longer than the one that came before, carving earth and moving rock until my body can take no